Looking for areas in your budget where you can cut costs is crucial, and finding ways to lower your monthly bills is a great place to start. Here are a few tricks you can try to lower your monthly bills and find more money worth saving. Hey there, welcome to the Daytime Dollar, where we talk about financial strategies and how small changes can make big improvements. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Today, we will discuss how to negotiate your bills and save money. So let's get into it. I'm going to teach you how to negotiate bills. First, know that a good negotiator should be confident, polite, and informed. So step 1, don't be afraid to ask. But do it nicely, so that customer service reps who talk to a lot of rude people every day are more likely to help you get what you want. Pro tip: do your homework first to understand the market and what different price points mean. Downgrading to a cheaper service isn't always worth the savings if it means losing out on features you want and use. Here's how to negotiate bills for saving your money. Number 1, rent. If you have been a great tenant, remind your landlord, because having to replace you could cost them more than it's worth to knock some of your monthly payment. Consider offering to sign a longer lease or paying a few months of rent upfront if you can afford it. If they won't budge on price, try for another concession, like a smaller security deposit, free parking, or upgrades like new appliances. Number 2, phone and cable. Call customer service and first ask about any discounts or cheaper packages. Mainly, if your current plan includes things you don't need, like unwatched channels or extra data, because you're always on Wi-Fi. If the price still isn't right, check your notes and see if your current provider can beat or match any lower competitor prices you found while comparison shopping. Ask for a supervisor if the rep can't lower your bill any further. Number 3, medical bills. If you're planning a procedure or exam, try to schedule with providers who are in network with your insurance. If you already have the bill, it's not too late to negotiate. Ask your doc office or the hospital to send you an itemized bill and scan it for mistakes, like duplicate charges or extra services you didn't get. If you find an error, contact the billing office to dispute it. Then, if you can't afford the correct charges, ask about ways to minimize your responsibility. Billing departments are used to hearing patients say "lower my bills" and are often willing to play ball. Ask about financial aid or medical forgiveness options, or work out a payment plan, which typically won't accrue profit. Number 4, cards. Calling your card issuer and asking for a lower profit rate can help you pay off that debt faster. If you recently improved your credit score or routinely make on-time payments, let them know you're a customer worth keeping. Psst, once your card is paid off, you may not want to close the account. That can hurt your credit score by causing your credit utilization ratio to increase and shortening the average age of your accounts. But you can stop using the card, especially if you have one with better terms. Number 5, share and save. Are your family members all online? If so, then consider sharing accounts, whether that be streaming services or shopping platforms. This can be a great way to bundle your funds according to Loris, as the savings can be big. With Disney Plus, for example, one account allows 7 different profiles in your household. In addition, streaming services such as Spotify and Netflix offer family plans, which allow up to 6 people to share one account and save on the total amount. As of December 2022, Spotify's family plan is $15.99 a month compared to the cost of $9.99 for an individual user. Number 6, make a plan. Generally, the best way to lower the cost of your monthly bills is to take the time to evaluate your spending and make a plan accordingly that will move you forward. Groceries, for example, can be one of the largest monthly expenses for a family living on a budget. But if you make a meal plan each week and prepare ahead by looking at deals for what you're going to use and need, you can save both food waste and money. The same holds for all of your expenses. The bottom line, don't leave your money on the table. A reduced bill can free up money to spend on your other needs. Negotiating your bills can help reduce your expenses. You can negotiate your bills over the phone or by walking into a physical branch. If negotiating your bills doesn't work out, try again after a few months, or switch to a more affordable alternative. Before you break a service contract and switch to a different provider, ensure your contract does not include penalties and fees. So guys, that's all about today's topic. Hope you guys liked this video. For more informative and unique videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.